So here's a simple application which we're demonstrating outside our building, and we've got the GRL 600 set up on the tripod. It's leveled, it's at 0 on both the x-axis, which is the one going this way out across the car park here, and it's also leveled on the y-axis. We're using the laser receiver, which is beeping in the background there. This is the LR60. And we're going to take this on the measuring staff here over to the end of this slight upward slope, and I can show you then the ability to find the beam from a function built into the LR60, and then the GRL 600 will find the beam and then calculate and display on the front here the angle of the slope. Okay, so we've walked to the other end of the slope, which is designed in the case of this car park to enable proper drainage of the water. That's a typical application. But we want to know what that slope is by using the GRL's ability to adjust the x-axis and then report the angle, the slope on that axis. We can do that from the receiver. We have a Bluetooth connection between the receiver and the product. The bottom left-hand button here is the line center, or the center line function. You could also call it a find me function. In other words, you're asking the level to find the center of the receiver in its new position. So we're going to press that button and hold it. Again, we've got an annoying tone going on. In the display, we have the letters CFX. And this means center find on the x-axis. That's the one coming directly out of the front and to the rear of the unit as you look at the control panel. It's not affecting the y-axis at all. It's simply lifting the x-axis first up very high, and then it will start to come down until it finds the receiver section here, and then we'll find the center, which it's done already, so quite a quick operation there. And we can take the unit away and walk back to the GRL to see what the reported angle was on the slope. So now you can see on the LCD display of the GRL 600, the x-axis is reporting a plus 1.2%. So that's the slope of this car park that we just measured in conjunction with a measuring pole and the LR60 receiver.